Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the problem of UPSC 2019 10 marks question from topic sphere. Question is given: the plane x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 12 cuts the axis of the coordinate axis in A, B, C. Find the equation of the circle subscribing the triangle ABC. Let's solve the problem. Given equation of plane is x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 12. First we have to given plane converted into intercept form, taking x by 12, taking 12 in the denominator of this both third function x, y and z function. This is 2y upon 12 and plus of 3z upon 12 is equal to 1. Cancel out 3 4 is 12, 2 6 is 12. We get here, that is x by 12 plus of y by 6 and plus of z by 4 is equal to 1. This is the intercept form of the equation of plane. Here we have to draw the figure. This is y axis, this is x and this is z axis. This is x axis, this is y and this is z axis. And in x axis cut at point A and y axis cut point at B and z axis cut point at C. We have to find the coordinates of x, y, z. Here intercept at x axis is A is 12. We have the coordinates of x axis is 12 comma 0 comma 0. Here intercept y axis at 6. The coordinates of b axis y axis is 0 comma 6 comma 0 and the intercept at z axis is 4. So we have the coordinates of z axis is 0 comma 0 comma 4. And we know that general equation of a sphere, general equation of a sphere is given by x square plus of y square plus of z square plus of 2ux plus of 2vy plus of 2wz plus of d is equal to 0. Here the points here for x axis passing through the points cuts the axis of coordinate axis in ABC. First let this is equation. This is equation 1 and this is 2. Equation 2 passes through x axis. Coordinates of x axis is 12 comma 0 comma 0. Passes through the equation 2. So we have to put the value here. 12 is x, y is 0 and z is 0. Here we have to put in the equation 2. We get 144. 144, y is 0, z is 0. 2ux here plus of 2u into x is 12. Vy is 0 and 2wz is 0 and here is plus of d is equal to 0. And from here we have to get 144 plus of 24u is equal to minus of d. And taking from here 12 is taking common, we get here 12 plus of u is equal to minus of d and 12 plus of u is equal to minus of d by 12 and we get once again here is 2u. 12 to the 24 and we get the value of here 2u is equal to minus of d by 12 plus of 12. This is the value of 2u. Similarly, equation 2 passes through y axis and z axis and we get the value of 2v and 2w. It passes through equation 2 passes through y-axis. Coordinates of y-axis is 0, 6, 0. Here x is 0, y is 6 and z is 0 also. Putting here we get 36 plus of here z square is 0, 2x is 0, 2by. Here 2v into 6, 2wz is 0 and plus of d is equal to 0. From here we can also find this 36 plus of 12v plus of d is taken into right hand side, we get minus of d, and taking 12 common from left hand side we get here 12 is taking common, 3 plus of v, once again 12 here, 6 2s are 12, we get here from 6 is taking common. Taking 6 is common, we get here 6 plus of 2v is equal to minus of d, and from here we get 6 plus 2b is equal to minus of d upon 6, and from here we get the value of 2b is equal to minus of d upon 6, and 6 is taken to left hand side, this is minus of 6, and we can also write here 2b is equal to minus is taking common d by 6 plus of 6. This is the value of v. Similarly it passes through the z axis. We get the value of v here. Equation 2 passes through z axis, and coordinates of z axis is 0, 0, 4. Here x is 0, y is 0 and z is 4. Putting in equation 1, we get here x is 0, y is 0, z is 4. We get is 16 plus of 2ux is 0, 2vy is 0, 2wz here. 2w into z is 4 plus of d is equal to 0. Similarly, 16 plus 8w is equal to minus of d. And taking 4 is common. Taking 4 is common, we get 4 plus of 2w is equal to minus of d. And we get here 4 plus 2w is equal to minus of d upon 4, and we get here the value of 2w is equal to minus of d by 4 and minus of 4. We get here similarly 2w is equal to minus is taking common d by 4 plus of 4. Once again we have to checking for x axis. This is the value of 2w. Once again we have to checking for x axis. Coordinates of x axis is 12, 0, 0. From here we have to put in 144, we have to checking. Once again we have to taking mistakes. 144 and plus of 24u and plus of d here is equal to 0. We take here d is 12 is taking common, 12 plus of 2u and d is taken to right hand side, we get here minus of d, and 12 plus of 2u is equal to minus of d here, and taking 12 into, once again 12 is taken to denominator of d, we get here d minus d upon 12, and here 12 is taken to left hand side, we get here 2u is equal to minus of d by 12 and minus of 12, and from here we have to taking minus common, we get here 2u is equal to minus is taking common, 2u is equal to plus of d by 12 and plus of 12. This is the, we have to some mistake here, so we have to again, and putting the value of 2u, 2v and 2w in equation 2, we get the required equation of circumscribing the triangle ABC. So we have to put in there x square plus of y square plus of z square plus here we have to put in 2u. 2u is equal to minus of, here we have to take in minus of d by 12 and plus of 12 into x. Similarly for 2b here minus of d by 6 plus of 6 into y. Similarly for 2w here we get here minus of d by 4 plus of 4 into z and plus of d is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the given problem. Thank you class and thank you for watching.